Foundation videos.
Hey, it's me, Jean Pouvoir. I am the Foundation's secret agent, and I'm disguised today as a lumberjack. I thought that would be a perfect disguise. Yes. What is it?
It's supposed to be the Foundation's special agent.
Foundation special? I mean, I don't get to wear disguise.
No.
I just have to be myself.
Sorry, dude.
Who am I really?
How to write a song with Special Agent John Powers.
Hi everybody, my name is John Powers and I'm a singer-songwriter. Sometimes I write songs for plays, sometimes I write songs to perform with my band, and sometimes I write songs even for puppet shows. Today I'm going to teach you how to write your own song while you're at home. And I understand that not everybody has musical instruments at their disposal to be able to use when they're at home. So I will try to show you how to write a song without needing to use musical instruments. Coming up with a theme. First thing I like to do is try to come up with a theme, something to write a song about. So I need to think about something that really interests me, something that I know a lot about. It could be a song about feelings, it could be a song about love, there's lots of songs about love. It could be a song about anything that you're interested in. Alright, here I am with my daughter Bloom, and we're trying to decide what would be a good theme for our song. Do you think we should write a sad song, or a funny song, or maybe a love song?
A funny song.
A funny song? Oh, okay, funny songs are always good. What's something that's funny that we could write a song about?
Poop.
Bloom, you can't write a song about poop. That's silly.
You?
I'm not funny. You're making fun of me. Something else. I don't want to write a song about me.
Why not a hippopotamus?
Hippopotamus. How about a happy hippopotamus?
Yeah, happy hippopotamus!
Alright, let's do it. The lyrics. When I'm writing lyrics, I like to start with what I call the 2 R's. Any guesses what the 2 R's might be?
Rock and roll?
No, it's not rock and roll, although I love rock and roll.
Reading and writing?
No, it's not reading and writing. Writing starts with a W, by the way.
Rub-a-dub-dub and rutabaga?
No, it's not rub-a-dub-dub and rutabagas. No, the 2 R's are rhythm and rhyme. Rhythm.
Hello, I am Professor Boogaloo from the Harvard School of Ethnomusicology. The Oxford Dictionary describes a rhythm as a strong pattern of sounds that are repeating and excuse me? Yes?
They don't need to know all that. Listen to this, boys and girls. This is all you need to know. go with the flow. Go with the flow, that's all you gotta know. Yeah, alright.
Well, there you have it.
Rhymes. Now, I'm a bit of an expert at rhymes myself, so I can help you with this.
You're not that much of an expert. I bet you can't think of something that rhymes with dog.
Of course I can think of a word that rhymes with dog. That's easy. Fog, smog, log, frog.
What about cat?
Cat? Everybody knows how to rhyme with cat. The Cat in the Hat taught us that.
How about rutabaga? Ha!
Rutabaga? I don't really know a word that rhymes with rutabaga. Now that we have our theme, the happy hippopotamus, we need to figure out what the lyrics are going to sound like. So we need to come up with the first line. Usually coming up with the first line is the hardest part about writing a song. Because once we do that, then we know what the rhythm is going to sound like, and we know what word that we need to rhyme with. So can you think of something for the first line?
The happy hippopotamus was sitting on a stoop.
That sounds pretty cool. A happy hippopotamus was sitting on a stoop. Can you clap that with me? A happy hippopotamus was sitting on a stoop. Excellent. Can
And do
you
you
think?
know what? And do you know what rhymes with stoop?
No.
Poop.
You can't say that.
But that does rhyme with stoop.
It does, yes.
And what else rhymes with stoop is goop and dupe.
A happy hippopotamus was sitting on a stoop right out in the backyard by the chicken coop. We went out to ask what he was doing there. The chickens were all hiding. They had really had a scare. Yesterday we managed to write all the lyrics for our song. We wrote 2 verses and a chorus. Now the verses, that's the part that tells the story of the song. So in your verse, you want to somehow get across some of the key elements of the story, like who the song is about. In our case, it was the happy hippopotamus. And ask some other questions like, where is he? What is he doing? And why are they there? Who are they with? Those are the kind of things that will make your story interesting for the listeners. And the chorus is the part of the song that's the catchy part that people want to sing along with, that's easy to remember. Often in choruses there'll be lots of repetition so that people will be able to remember those parts easily and sing along. Are you ready to sing along, Meadow? I don't think she's quite ready to sing along. The melody. We have come up with the lyrics for our song, and we have a verse and a chorus, and now we are going to try to come up with a melody, so a tune for our song. And because our song is about a happy hippo, we don't want a tune that sounds sad or anything. So I think I came up with something. Do you girls want to try it? Repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
A happy hippopotamus was sitting on a stoop.
A happy hippopotamus was sitting on a stoop.
Way out in the backyard by the chicken coop.
Way out in the backyard by the chicken coop.
So notice now we're singing, we're not just talking, and that is kind of a neat melody for our song. And because we have instruments, we're going to add some instruments to it. Remember, you don't necessarily need to add instruments. If you have your lyrics and your melody, that's a song. But because we have lots of instruments, we're going to add some music to it, some more music, and we're going to make a little music video and share that with you. Sound good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Harmony, adding the instruments. backyard by the chicken coop. When I started to ask what was he doing there, the chickens that were hiding there really had a scare. Happy hippo, please make way for the happy hippo. A happy hippo, he'll tell you what to do. He wants you to be happy too. Looked at us and giggled, said there's no cause for alarm. I'm only sitting here, I'm doing no harm. The morning I'll be gone and you can have back your stew. All that he left us was a big old poop. Happy hippo, a happy hippo, please make way for the happy hippo. Happy hippo, he'll tell you what to do. He wants you to be happy too. Then maybe he shouldn't have left that. Well, that's it. I hope that you enjoyed our song, and I hope that you have fun making songs of your own. Thank you to the Foundation for Education for inviting me to be a part of this, and thanks to you for listening. And stay safe and well, and hopefully on the other end of this pandemic we can see each other in real life and maybe make some music together. You want to say bye, Meadow?
Bye.